Today is the next mini cricket festival. The festival today is in TUT. It's a university. It's a massive university in Pretoria, and yeah, another drive, another festival. What's unique about this festival is the size of the festival. This is actually the biggest festival that we have in the country. Usually there's about 1,500 to 2,000 kids that come to the festival. So they come from all over the Pretoria area, including places like Soshanguve, Laudium, all those kind of places. So yeah, it's going to be great fun, and there's going to be lots of kids having fun and having just a great time. At the festival, a lot of kids are already here. Not everybody's here yet, but we're still a bit early. The festival should start in the next about half an hour or so.
My name is Becky. I am 9 years old. I love betting and bowling.
My name is Mangin Kosi. I am one of the mini cricket children, and I like to bet, and that's all. My name is Aliva, and I like playing cricket and I like betting. I'm one of the cricket players. That's all.
My name is Dala Bakir. I'm 9 years old, and mini cricket is very fun.
I like to play cricket and I love to bowl and swim.
My name is Ima. I love cricket so much.
My name is Shawn Belluigi. I like cricket. Cricket is the best one in the whole city.
Okay, let's go. Play ball. Let's count it down in 5, 4, 3, 2, and we live. Here we go. Mangi's moving. No underarm. Overarm. He's moving quicker. Here we go. We gotta get to 10.
Today was our match where our team name was Al Ghazali College, and we lose our all matches, but we did well. Most of the times I got, in first match I got 0 wickets, in other I got 3 wickets. I got not a hat trick, but my friend got a hat trick, and I was a nice keeper and I was about to catch, but I couldn't.
Another KFC mini cricket festival is done. It was great to have Mangi Mosehle around and Dwayne Pretorius around. It was great that they could come through and, you know, 2 Proto players, and spend some time with the kids and, you know, just have some fun with the boys and girls.